Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Christmas decoration series on Come Play with Rosanne. Today we are going to show you how to make a very lightweight wreath with tinsels. You're going to need a pair of scissors or a cutting blade, a marker, few Christmas balls for decorations, tinsels and a foam plate. You'll also need a two-way tape. Let's get started. Take a circular object and mark a circle on your foam plate. You can also use a cardboard instead of foam plate. Let's cut this circle with our cutting blade. Now let's start winding our tinsels. Stick a small piece of two-way tape on one side of your circle. Stick one end of the tinsels to the other side of the sticky tape and start winding as shown in the video. You can choose as many colors as you want, or you can choose a single color. I am going to use golden and red tinsels. And I'm going to wind the red tinsels alternatively between the golden one. And it's almost done. Finally, decorate it with some Christmas balls, all jingling Christmas bells. Christmas decorations and the season of Christmas brings all the family together. We just love decorating for Christmas. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try this easy breezy DIY as well. And if you have tried making this DIY, share it on Instagram and tag us there. Have a very Merry Christmas this year, and thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.